So that's the first United Airlines. He started spraying back here. Not before there, not before pegs. Unlikely I'll be able to keep with that. There you go. A traitor to the earth. United Airlines. Telltale trail there. Not dispersing as a contrail. Dirty bastard. Now there's another United inbound. Not quite here yet. There's all clouds from there on. Oh, there you have it. It's still visible even though it's not visible there. Yeah. One chemtrail, United Airlines. It's just sprayed back there for some reason. The trail's dispersed over that way. Oh, that is staying. It's quite a distance, so I'll look further back. So he's sprayed over that area. Let's see what the next one's doing. Get his details. So the first one is a sprayer, registration November 2136 uniform. It's a Boeing 777-300 Echo Romeo. UAL operator code, and he's lost. He's going from Washington to Chile. He isn't, is he? 34,000 feet currently. This is side by side with Newcastle. His ICAO code is Alpha 1 Charlie 7 Echo 4. And he's on flight Uniform Alpha Lima 2771. Not much in way of pictures really, is it like, but anyway, that's the first one. The second one's coming out front of the house. Keep an eye on him as well. We've also got a Delta inbound.
And the other two skipped.
Oh, there's a sprayer. Now there's the second United Airlines, and he's spraying big time. A lot worse than the other one. Mind you, the other was a bit of a distance off. This one's coming straight at us. Dirty get. Look at that plume of snot coming out behind that one. If I move back on this seat a bit better, bear with me. Boeing 777-300 ER again. Into clouds. Look at that dirty git. Well people, here's an air raid. An American air raid, mainland England. Authorised by the governments. A bit more of a cloud there actually, but look at that muck. Can't focus, you bitch. There he is. slowly shifting. Struggling to keep up with that. I can't keep him with cloud now. Lost that one in that cloud. The bottom of that trail, well, the end of that trail must be about 30 odd mile away. He's going over the top now somewhere. You can still see bits of the trail. Spraying as he's going. Somewhere up above all that stuff. God only knows what they're spraying this time. Probably Bill Gates 666 vaccine, but I can't guarantee that, can I? Hope not. Probably cloud seeding, I don't know, but either way, it's so wrong. We've got 95% of the world's population brain dead, completely bloody brain dead. We've got Nazi sympathisers who are reporting people for going out. And we've got the Nazis who, not all police are Nazis, some are decent. But we're in a police state, we're in a Nazi state, occupied territory. And Nazi sympathisers are traitors. They're traitors to England, they're traitors to their own countries, and they're traitors to humanity. Anyway, there you go. That's one from United Airlines. That one's going from Frankfurt to... well, it's going to America anyway, put it that way. But messy. Very messy. He's long gone, that is not a compensation trail, as you can tell. And he's trying to make a move. There's one coming in at Delta Airlines, but as you can see, lift it up. There you go, United Airlines, thank you, bastard. What a bastard. So there we have the second one, the dirtiest of the lot up to now. We've got 3 more inbound planes, including USAF. Well, they never sprays, would they? United Airlines, November 2251 uniform, another Boeing 777-300 Echo Romeo, UAL operator code going from Frankfurt to San Francisco. It's now 32,000 feet. His ICAO code is Alpha 1 Foxtrot 622, and his flight is Uniform Alpha Lima 2779, UAL2779. As he approaches Carlisle, he's sprayed right across. On here, we're looking at that area and their 10 mile rings. I have to keep an eye on these others now. But that one particularly dirty. United Airlines. There's 2 of them just sprayed us. Now over there, you can still see it down here. That's the remains of the trail from the first United Airlines. We've got a Delta up there at the moment. Seems to be behaving itself. We've still got United States Air Force inbound. KC-10A. Is that a bloody... What the hell is that? Oh my god. It's a green duck. Yep, the Delta's behaving itself. Can't see green duck at the moment, it's not got this far. And these clouds, scribble clouds everywhere. And cotton wool clouds. I know they've got proper names, but that's what I want to call them. I don't care. But yeah, he's behaved up to now. Hope I'm not talking a bit too premature there. I'll find that green duck now.